Oh, baby. It's a freaking big one. Holy. 2. Oh, I had 2 on. Dude, I had freaking 2 on. What's up, everybody? We're at the lagoon afternoon goon session. Came out yesterday morning. It was pretty slow, but I hear the bite's a little better in the afternoon, so we're gonna see if we can make that a true thing. Caught the swim bait fish the last afternoon I came out. Richie felt bad. He was supposed to come with me today too, but I kind of texted him too late. But we'll definitely do that again soon. All right, guys, let's see. Catch some bass, some bigger quality this time. Yeah, so right here, I grabbed the jerkbait, thrown the jerkbait around a little bit, and then we started doing some swim baiting, throwing the swim bait for a few casts, tried a little top water, just a lot of chop on the water here. So eventually, you know, I'm seeing bait, occasional fish, so I grabbed the deep diving crankbait right here and I just start cranking. Crankbait fish. There's a crankbait fish. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Check him out. Yes. It's a little dude, man. It's been little guys. Cranking them. Another one. Oh, that's a better one. That's a better one. Yes. Yes. Wind. Cranking. There you go. Oh, baby. It's a freaking big one. Holy. 2. Oh, I had 2 on. Dude, I had freaking 2 on. Chunk. Nice little short one, guys. You guys probably couldn't see that, but when I hooked up on that bite, it felt massive, and I got 2 looks with probably 2.5 pounders on the crankbait. One fell off, but at least I got 1 in, but that was crazy. I think it was the first time I ever caught 2 fish on 1 bait. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's a good one. There's a good one. There's a good one. Right when it's coming up. Right when it's coming up. Let's freaking go. Yes. Hell yeah. Yes. There's the solid freaking bass right there. Whew. Yep. There's a good one. Yes, sir. Who doesn't love that? That was never coming off ever. He's not working, but it's a nice little crankbait back. Alright. Nice little crankbait back there. Nice little healthy guy. Let's go, baby. Whew. Let's go. There's a chaser. There's a 3-pounder. Dang. Oh, man. Guys. Let's freaking go. .28, that was bigger. Thing's freaking fat. .28. Nice bass. Freaking bass right there. Get out of there. Frickin' hate the... Ah! It's a good one too. Oh! Come on, baby. Deep cranking. About a pound of grass. Woo! Whew, guys. Nice one too. Nice 2-pounder. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Dang, dude. What a bite. What a freaking bite, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez. Dang, it's a nice one. There's a 3. Three, 2, let's go, baby. That's a big one. That's a gosh darn big one right there. Oh, where's the little guy? Oh, geez. All right, doing some cranking. Chunky. Dang. Freaking crankbait is on fire, dude. Oh man. A little deep in the grass. A little deep in the grass. Little deep.